Okay, so I discovered some pretty small cracks in my roof. I just insulated it yesterday with some duct tape, which of course is not a good solution at all. So now we're gonna actually address this crack and this one a little bit more drastically. Okay, so that's all the stuff I think I need. First I'm gonna clean it a little bit, then I let it dry. Then I bought some chalk, so to insulate the cracks itself, and then to reinforce the whole thing I actually also bought a tape like this. So I'm gonna put a patch of tape here and there, and then we should be fine. So for the cleaning, I've actually have an old sock which I soaked in with the cleaning solution, and now I'm gonna clean all the surface where I wanna put the patch on, like so, and then I'm gonna go to the other side. Okay, so now I got the gun ready, which means I'm gonna seal the cracks first here and there, and once that's done I'm actually gonna put the patch on. Okay, so I sealed it now and sealed it here as well, but I'm not trusting this, so that means now I'm gonna use a little bit of this patch, place it over there, and then we should be actually good. So now you see the fabric. You see it's actually a fabric. It's just made to reinforce that. So I'm gonna put it on here, of course, with the chalk, and then I'll put it on there, and then it should be super. Okay, so I got the fabric on there, and what I'm doing now, I'm just making it smooth here. And what I'm trying to do, I'm going to show you a follow-up video tomorrow, how it actually looks once it's dry. So here are just the tools I needed: a pair of scissors, chalk gun, like a spatula, and then of course that reinforcement tape. You need something to clean. Actually, you see that spatula, how I could clean it, and then I used that chalk here, and just for emergencies I bought Gorilla tape, so next time when it's raining I may use Gorilla tape. So that's how it looks like just after 10 minutes, and I'm pretty sure tomorrow or maybe this afternoon I'm gonna film it again, and then we should see the result. Okay, now I'm coming back like 2 hours later. These are the two patches, and you see we have bright sunshine today, so that should help, and it's actually almost dry. And so why I use the fabric, it's just here it's getting warm and cold, like pretty cold during winter, so it's my shrinking and then stretching, and so the fabric actually just helps the chalk, or I guess that's some kind of tar, just to keep in place a little bit more, not to form cracks again. And somebody did a patch here some time ago. I have to be honest, I want to see if that's actually the better solution I have here, instead of that patching. Maybe it was kind of the same way, but I actually kind of like that style, and I guess tomorrow it should be all dry and then like strong.